Adam's back, and that means pasta time. What kind of pasta are we making today, Adam?
Just, this is a cracker. We're going to be using San Remo brown rice pasta.
Nice.
With prawn, zucchini and bacon.
Ooh, a bit of surf and turf, actually.
Yeah, I never thought of that, surf and turf. You're on the money, definitely.
I like it.
Love the brown rice pasta, Just.
Yes.
It's gluten-free, dairy-free, yeast-free. It's really, really good for you. Different taste as well. Cooks in around 9 to 11 minutes. So we need to get our pasta into the water straight up. Now,
the brown rice pasta, is it kind of nutty, so different flavour?
Yeah, it does. It's just something different to try, you know what I mean? There are so many different types of pasta out there, obviously San Remo produced, but I like this one, especially with the prawns. Gives that nuttiness, okay?
Yeah, nice one.
Very good. So I'm going to get you onto basically cutting up those prawns for me.
Sure.
I need to get some garlic into the pan.
How would you like the prawns chopped up?
Just roughly chopped.
Okay, I can do roughly quite well.
Good, because, you know, look, end of the day, we don't have to be too fancy. Just think about bite size. I say when you're cutting things, especially, you know, you don't want your guests or your loved ones to have these big chunks of prawns or tomatoes, whatever it may be.
Absolutely.
So some olive oil into the pan, just to get the base of our sauce started. A good amount, okay? Good amount.
And there's your prawns.
Now, I don't want to forget, give our little pasta a stir. Nice, thank you very much. In with the garlic. 1 cube of butter as well, just to start with, and we add the rest in later.
Okay.
So while that's happening, I'm just going to cut up these tomatoes.
Sure.
What I'd like you to do, Juz, is to grate that zucchini for me.
Okay.
And, you know, Juz, I don't normally do surf and turf. You know, it's one of those things when I'm making a pasta recipe, right, I try and stick away from, you know, like the whole meat and seafood thing combination.
And cheese too on top of it.
Yeah, and cheese as well. But this one here works a treat. One of my chefs that I work with showed me this, right? Prawns, but he did prawns, tomato and artichoke, and I was blown away, okay? Really blown away. I couldn't believe it. So I thought, you know what, let's add zucchinis. They're in season, perfect, tasty.
They're inexpensive too, so
Definitely.
they definitely bulk out a dish, particularly when you're grating it like this. So fresh tomatoes for this, full of sweetness.
A little bit of sweetness as well. And look, cherry tomatoes are always around, available all year. Bacon. Oh, nice bacon here.
You want like a fatty bacon?
I do. I want that fat because obviously that's going to render down and give me some super flavour to this dish.
I've really noticed on the market now the variety of pastas out there that showcase different pulses, grains. We're using brown rice today, but you know, even mixed bean pasta.
Oh, yeah,
I had it the other night and it was delicious.
Did you enjoy it, did you?
Yeah, I really did
Good.
actually. So it's nice to try something new.
Nice. All right, so that's going to take a couple minutes for that to obviously tomatoes to collapse down, all right? Little pinch of salt just to help with that.
Okay.
In with the prawns, Juz.
Okay.
So in they go. Now, your prawns are going to take around 2 to 3 minutes, obviously to cook down and change colour.
You don't want to overcook your prawns.
No, nothing worse, nothing worse. You know what I mean? Like, you got such beautiful sweet meat in these prawns, yeah? You take them too far, they come chewy and you lose all that lovely sweetness.
Sure.
Okay, Juz, our prawns have definitely changed colour there.
Yep.
Tomatoes starting to collapse down. Now, to help this, obviously speed up, we're going to take some of that pasta water to create our sauce, obviously.
Nice.
That is the flavour, yeah? We've got obviously that beautiful brown rice pasta in there. Okay, zucchinis, please, into the pan. Look at the colours. I love these colours. You know, this is the Italian flag, but, you know, it's flavour. All flavour there. Pinch more salt, obviously, with the zucchinis being raw.
They need a little bit of salt, love.
They do. And now a little bit of zestiness. So can I have that lemon zested straight into the pan?
I do.
So it's a nice, quick midweek meal, yeah?
Yeah.
You know, you got some prawns in the freezer, quickly grab them out, defrost them, get them going.
Yeah. I think when you're adding prawns to a pasta like this, you don't need a lot of prawns.
No.
We're bulking it out with that zucchini.
100%. Yeah, just get you to chop up the parsley very roughly for me.
About half of this?
Yeah, half would be perfect. I'm going to check on the pasta. Now, it's around a 9 to 11 minute cooking time. I'm looking for the al dente, so I'm just going to try one, Juz.
Yeah, I hate when my pasta's overcooked.
Oh, I love it. All these years, I was hoping you'd say that.
If there's one person that won't overcook my pasta, it's you, Adam.
I still have this argument with my wife, don't worry. But you really want to cook al dente, yeah? Because that way you get to taste quality pasta. And also your pasta, your final dish, is going to be totally different.
Yep.
Nice. In we go, like so. Straight in, please. And those 2 last little cubes of butter as well. They're going in. So I'm just gonna give that a flick. Very, very, very nice. So we turn off the heat now and allow that butter to keep melting through. Just basically it's gonna give it a nice sheen and rich in the flavour as well.
Yeah. Now see how you're agitating the pan like that? It almost brings the whole sauce together with the butter, with the starchy water.
Exactly, and I'm not using a spoon because you know what happened? It will start to break down the zucchini way too much. It's gonna get really mushy. We just still wanna be able to see and taste that zucchini.
Absolutely.
Nice, just some fresh mint put through.
Fresh mint, a few sprigs of that.
Thank you. Now, if you're not a fan of mint, because not everyone's cup of tea mint, you know what I mean?
Love it.
You love it?
Love it.
Awesome. So as the last little component, I need some cheese and that lemon. I just need the juice, 1/2 of this. So, there we have it. The meal is ready.
There's a reason all of us go to our pasta dishes once, twice, sometimes 3 times a week, because in 8 minutes you can make the perfect pasta. I love the bacon and the prawn combination, the zucchini, and you know I love my butter.
And some extra cheese. So just some pecorino to finish. I'm happy with this dish.
I'm happy with this dish. Let's have a taste.
Thank you.
I'll try that brown rice penne pasta.
Nice, clean, fresh. That mint at the end, the lemon, nice zest.
I love it.